Ladies and gentlemen, respectable judges, honored viewers, let me start my speech today with a very simple truth. Diversity is everywhere. Why we cannot be far away with it? Because the differences of cultures, religions, and ethnicities are important identity for a nation. And guys, did you ever think how we can always enhance harmony amidst diversity? So today, I am Firnas Athaya, coming right from Nurul Jadi Junior High School, gonna discuss with you all how the way we can create a harmony even in the midst of differences. So turn your volume up and listen out to my speech under the title Diversity as a Social Strength. The role of unwavering devotion in promoting unity and tolerance. Well, everyone, diversity is an undeniable reality in modern life, seen in our cultures, religions, ethnicities, and ways of thinking. However, diversity can only become a source of strength when accompanied by a commitment to mutual respect and preservation of unity. While through the deemed diversity, a strength rooted in unwavering devotion, we are invited to understand that the true power of differences can only be realized when there is sincere devotion to the values of humanity, justice, and togetherness. In a world full of conflicts and challenges caused by differences, we are called to be a generation that not only respect diversity, but also remain steadfast and faithful in maintaining harmony. Diversity refers to differences of people among culture, religions, language, ethnicity, gender, worldviews, and ways of thinking. And I said, diversity is not a weakness or a threat, but a tremendous potential that, when managed properly, can become a shared strength. However, for diversity to truly become a strength, it must be rooted in unwavering devotion, a deep, consistent, and steadfast commitment. This devotion is reflected to the attitude of mutual respect, the willingness to live side by side peacefully, and determination to protect harmony even in the midst of differences. But unfortunately, even though diversity is widely recognized as a national and social asset, not everyone is able to manage differences wisely. We still witness conflicts, discriminations, stereotypes, and even violence in the inability of people to accept others. This proves that without a firm commitment to unity, tolerance, and humanity, diversity can easily turn into division. And guys, our greatest challenge today is how to build a collective commitment to uphold harmony amidst diversity, and how to cultivate awareness that diversity must be guided by a sincere and unwavering devotion. It takes a shared effort from all elements of society to transform diversity into strength. But ladies and gentlemen, to achieve this, solution must begin with early education that instills values of tolerance, respect for differences, and the importance of peaceful coexistence. In addition, it is essential to create open spaces for intercultural and intergenerational dialogue to foster mutual understanding and bridge differences. The media also plays a vital role in spreading positive message that strengthen unity. In today's digital era, narrative of peace and tolerance must be promoted more often than hate speech and division. Finally, everyone, young people have a central role in realizing this vision. They must lead by example, not only by accepting differences, but also by actively nurturing them. With strong and consistent commitment, unwavering devotion, diversity will not become a source of conflict, but rather a solid foundation for building a future that is just, peaceful, and united. Well, everyone, in the end, diversity is an unavoidable reality in modern life, reflect in our cultures, beliefs, languages, and ways of thinking. While it offers great potentials, diversity alone is not enough. It must be supported by unwavering devotion, a firm and continuous commitment to human values, justice, respect, and peaceful coexistence. Without such devotion, diversity can become a source of conflicts, discriminations, and division. Therefore, nurturing harmony requires conscious and collective efforts, starting from early education that promotes tolerance, the creation of inclusive dialogue spaces, and the use of media to spread message of peace and unity. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your honest attentions. And for the last, I'm gonna say, see you in the next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.